Hi everyone, it's Monday, November 9th, and I haven't made a tutorial video in a little bit, but there was just a couple of things I wanted to share with you um, as the week begins. So most of you are really good at just finding homeroom and finding the weekly schedule, clicking on everything. So I haven't been making a daily tutorial, but today there's just a couple things. So I'm going to blow this up real fast and this morning, the attendance link was not working, but I fixed it. It is now working. So if you have not checked in for attendance, please do so. Um, some of you did not check it on Friday at all. And so I am backtracking to see if you worked on any assignments. If you did, I'll count you present. If you didn't, I have to count you absent if I cannot find that you have checked in anywhere. So please do that. Unless you notify me specifically or reach out to me, because there's a special need, and a couple of you have, and that's different. But if you are working daily, please do the attendance link so that we can keep up with that. And that would be here where it says Monday. Again, it is fixed. Also, last week, you were supposed to take 2 math 8-step quizzes on Thursday. And a lot of you did that, but some of you did not. There's like 6 of you that did not. So if you didn't, I need you to click here first. That's why I put it at the very top. There are 2. One is about addition and subtraction questions. The other one is story problems. So please complete these 8-step quizzes first. And I need to highlight that in case you did not do that. That is required. Then just work through the rest of today's math as you can. If you've already done those 8-step quizzes, then you're good. You don't need to redo them. As you work your way down, there's a science. The science activity is one lesson, but I extended it through the week. So you're going to do a little part of it each day. So just read the directions and go follow the guidelines for each day. They should be posted on Canvas when you open that up. Okay, social studies is we're beginning week 5. There are articles listed by name for you to listen to and read each day. Today there are 2, so do that. Spelling City is now week 13, so be sure when you click that you are accessing the right week's assignments. Also, some of you did not do last week's spelling test. That would have been week 12. I will go back in and check to make sure it's still open, but I need you to do that. Then the last thing, 2 things down here, the spelling rule, which is basically a summary of what this week's words are about. I recorded that lesson last week. So watch that to kind of give you an indication as to what kind of words we're working on this week. They are easier than last week, I will tell you that. And then the comma lesson, which was not working. It wasn't linked properly, but I fixed that. It should be good to go. You're going to watch a video. We're going to take each day and discuss a different rule using commas. So watch the video first, and then there is a lesson, an assignment after that posted. That's why it's highlighted in yellow. So I think that is all. Again, make sure you take the 8-step quizzes if you have not. And that's the first thing I need you to do if you didn't do that last week at all. So I think that is it for the schedule. I will come back to you. We are virtual at least for the rest of this week, and I have not heard about next week yet. I do know there is a school board meeting tomorrow night at 6 o'clock. It will be on Facebook Live they're going to be doing it via Zoom. There should be a link posted on the Anderson Community Schools Facebook page. So if you follow that, I would recommend that you tune in at 6 p.m. so that you can get updates on what's going to happen after this week. So I will, of course, let you know as soon as I find out, but that would be one way you could get firsthand information. So I think that is it for today. I will probably not make another tutorial this week unless I see a need for that. Again, reach out to me as needed. I'm here and we'll be in touch. I hope to see you at 1 o'clock for today's Zoom. Have a great day.